In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT4 One Click Trading. One Click Trading in Metatrader 4 is a fast way to place market orders directly from your chart with a single press. It's designed for moments when speed matters, like during high volatility or quick scalps. Because it bypasses the usual confirmation window, it's powerful but requires care. Let's walk through how to turn it on and use it confidently. First, open the Options window in MT4. You can do this by going to the Tools menu and selecting Options, or by pressing Ctrl+O on your keyboard. In the Options window, switch to the Trade tab. Here, you'll see a checkbox labeled One Click Trading. Tick that box, then click OK. MT4 will prompt you to accept the terms and conditions for using One Click Trading. Read them and click Accept. Once you confirm, the One Click Trading panel becomes available for your charts. Now, let's bring the panel onto a chart. With your chart open, look for the small arrow or trading panel icon near the top left of the chart window and click it to reveal the panel. Alternatively, you can right-click anywhere on the chart and choose One Click Trading from the menu. The panel should appear showing live bid and ask prices, a field for volume, and buy and sell buttons. Before you place any trades, set your trade size in the volume field. Volume in MT4 is expressed in lots. For many Forex pairs, 1.0 represents one standard lot, 0.1 is a mini lot, and 0.01 is a micro lot, though exact contract sizes depend on your broker. Make sure the volume matches your risk plan and account size. This is crucial because one click will execute immediately at the market price. When you're ready to act, use the panel to trade instantly. Click Buy to enter a long position if you expect price to rise. Click Sell to enter a short position if you expect price to fall. As soon as you click, MT4 sends a market order without an additional confirmation dialog. Your fill will occur at the current available price, which may differ slightly during fast moves due to slippage. A few tips for smooth use. Double-check your volume before every click. Be mindful of high-impact news that can widen spreads. And consider practicing in a demo environment to get comfortable with the speed of execution. That's it. You've enabled one-click trading, displayed the panel, set your volume, and executed buy or sell instantly from the chart. Use it thoughtfully, and it can become a reliable tool in your trading workflow.